Hi, it's Imogen from Perfect Placement, and I'm here to introduce another of our fantastic motor trade opportunities in the Tewkesbury area. Our client is a commercial vehicle dealership that are looking to hire a workshop controller to join their business. This company have been established for 100 years and are proud of their heritage, with a reputation for offering the highest service levels, adding value and offering flexible solutions that give a competitive advantage. In order to be eligible, the candidate will need to have prior or present experience as a workshop controller within a commercial vehicle environment. This company are offering a basic salary of up to $30,000, however this is negotiable dependent on experience. This vacancy is being managed by one of our senior recruitment consultants, Josh Buck, and he'd love to hear from anyone that's interested. Like all of our vacancies, we are just looking to introduce the right person to our client. Last year we had over 700 people take advantage of our referral scheme. Now it's even easier. Please forward this video to anyone you know who'd be interested. Please ask them to mention your name when applying. We'll pay you up to £100 in vouchers of your choice just for a successful referral. Thanks for watching, and please keep an eye out for more videos like this.